Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We'll be exploring how to empower your business automation with Microsoft Copilot Studio. The focus is on creating intelligent workflows and chatbots without the need for coding. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at how this innovative tool can transform your operations, making automation easier and more accessible. So, let's dive in and discover the possibilities together. Welcome to Slide 2. Today, we're diving into Copilot Studio and how it empowers business automation with Microsoft Copilot Studio. Essentially, Copilot Studio offers a suite of tools designed to help you automate routine tasks and quickly find answers to your questions. What's really exciting is its visual designer, which makes building workflows straightforward and accessible for everyone, even if you're not a developer. This simplifies workflow automation, allowing teams to be more efficient. Copilot Studio leverages OpenAI's GPT technology to provide intelligent, context-aware responses, meaning it understands your specific needs and tailors its actions accordingly. These actions are not one-size-fits-all. They're customized to support your team's unique workflows. Another key point is how seamlessly these copilots integrate with Microsoft 365 apps like Teams and SharePoint. This integration boosts productivity by simplifying complex processes and making information more accessible. And importantly, Microsoft Copilot Studio is designed so that users without any coding skills can create smart workflows and chatbots. It uses natural language processing and a simple drag-and-drop interface to build AI-powered agents. These agents can automate tasks and answer questions, making advanced automation accessible to everyone. Overall, this slide highlights how Copilot Studio is transforming how we work, making automation smarter, easier, and more inclusive. Let's get started with Copilot Studio by signing in with your Microsoft 365 account. I recommend using a supported browser like Microsoft Edge for the best experience. This helps ensure compatibility and gives you access to all the tools you need to start building your workflows. Next, you'll want to select a workspace where you'll develop your workflows. This could be within Teams, SharePoint, or any other Microsoft 365 app. Choosing the right workspace is important because it provides the foundation for organizing and managing your workflow projects effectively. After that, you'll connect your data sources. These could be SharePoint, Azure SQL, or Dataverse. You'll set up and index your files or databases to integrate your essential data into your workflows seamlessly. This step is crucial because it ensures your workflows operate smoothly with real, connected data. It's also vital to set the right permissions and security protocols. Make sure you have the correct access rights and follow security best practices. This protects sensitive information and keeps your workflows secure from unauthorized access. By following these initial steps, you're establishing a solid foundation. A good setup makes the entire process more efficient, helps prevent issues later, and ultimately leads to better results with your workflows. Let's dive into the different methods you can use to create workflows with Microsoft Copilot Studio. First, we have the option to choose from pre-built templates. These are designed for common business scenarios like expense reports or onboarding processes. The great thing is, you can customize these templates to perfectly fit your specific needs, saving you time while still providing flexibility. Next, there's the starter templates approach, which is all about quick setup. You can use intuitive drag-and-drop tools to build and tailor your workflows step by step. This method is ideal if you want detailed control and a hands-on approach to designing your automation. Finally, we have the visual designer for customization. Here, you simply describe your task in plain English, and Copilot Studio automatically generates the workflow steps for you. It's an incredibly intuitive process that requires no technical background, making automation accessible to everyone. Together, these options highlight the versatility of Copilot Studio, empowering you to create workflows that match your skill level and business requirements. Let's talk about creating workflows with natural language. With Microsoft Copilot Studio, you can empower your business automation efforts in a simple and intuitive way. Once you've built your workflow, you can easily save, publish, and test it by submitting a form, no coding required. This approach really accelerates the entire workflow creation process. As you customize your workflow, you can add specific actions like sending emails based on the data from your form. This ensures that your automation meets your unique needs and automates tasks effectively. To make your workflows even more efficient, you can refine the logic, say, by switching to switch case statements, helping you create clearer and more manageable processes. Copilot Studio also generates steps automatically, such as sorting requests with if-else logic, which simplifies building structured workflows. The key is that you can build these workflows using natural language. Just type out what you want your Copilot to do. For example, if you're handling customer training requests from Microsoft Forms, you simply describe the scenario in a prompt, and the tool takes care of the rest. Overall, this method makes workflow creation much more accessible, faster, and more adaptable, enabling you to focus on what really matters, your business outcomes. Now, let's take a closer look at how the visual designer makes building workflows straightforward and intuitive. Essentially, it allows you to construct your automation processes by simply dragging and dropping actions like sending an email, updating a SharePoint list, or starting an approval process. It's all about making the design process visual and user-friendly. You can connect these steps in a sequence, but it doesn't stop there. You can also add branches to handle different outcomes. For example, routing urgent requests directly to a manager for faster attention. This flexibility means your workflows can adapt to various scenarios seamlessly. Moving on, you can easily reorder steps by dragging them around to optimize your process. Plus, adding conditions allows your workflows to make smarter decisions, like sending alerts only when certain criteria are met. This makes your automation more tailored and effective. Another key point is integration. The visual designer connects your workflows with Microsoft 365 apps, such as Teams, Outlook, and SharePoint. This cross-platform automation helps streamline operations across your tools, saving time and reducing manual effort. And one of the most valuable features is the clear overview the visual designer provides. It gives you a visual map of your workflow, so you can spot any errors early on. Before publishing, you can review and fix issues easily, ensuring your automation runs smoothly. Finally, adding branches for different outcomes enhances your workflow's flexibility. For instance, routing urgent requests directly to a manager can significantly speed up response times. Overall, the visual designer empowers you to create smarter, more efficient workflows that truly support your business needs. Let's talk about working with templates and how they empower business automation with Microsoft Copilot Studio. Templates are incredibly useful because they save you time by giving you a structured starting point for creating workflows. This means you can focus more on customizing the workflow to fit your needs, rather than building everything from scratch. For those new to automation, starting with a template is a quick way to experience the power of automation without getting overwhelmed. Templates simplify the process and make it accessible even if you're just starting out with workflow creation. Another great benefit is flexibility. You can modify these templates or even convert existing workflows into new agent flows without needing to write any code. This allows you to tailor workflows precisely to your specific requirements, giving you a lot of control. Plus, these templates integrate seamlessly with Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and the Power Platform, ensuring your workflows run smoothly within the Microsoft ecosystem. And to make things even easier, Copilot Studio offers starter templates for common business tasks. Whether it's expense reports, employee onboarding, benefits updates, ticket refunds, or customer inquiries, these templates help you accelerate workflow creation. They provide a ready-made structure that you can customize, making automation more accessible and efficient for your business. Now, let's talk about customizing and managing your workflow steps. Editing workflows is straightforward. Simply select any step to rename, reorder, or modify it as needed. This flexibility allows you to tailor the automation to your specific needs. When training your Copilot, use short, clear trigger phrases without punctuation like periods in the topic names. This helps ensure better compatibility and more accurate responses. Next, it's important to test your changes before you save. Running these tests early helps catch any issues, so your workflow runs smoothly without surprises down the line. If your workflows start becoming too long or complex, don't hesitate to cancel them. This saves system resources and keeps everything running efficiently. Maintaining clarity in your workflows is crucial. Clear, well-designed processes are easier to understand and use, which boosts overall performance and user satisfaction. Finally, optimizing performance means keeping workflows simple and avoiding unnecessary steps. This improves system efficiency and provides a better experience for everyone involved. Let's talk about how adding conditions can make your smart choices even more powerful. This flexibility ensures that your workflows respond appropriately to different scenarios, whether they're common or unique. It really helps deliver accurate results that are tailored to your specific needs, making automation more reliable and relevant. Now, one of the key tools here is Power FX formulas. These allow you to incorporate advanced logic directly into your workflows. With Power FX, you can create precise decision-making processes that adapt to complex situations, giving you much greater control. You can also combine multiple conditions using and/or operators. This enables you to set up complex rules that handle intricate scenarios effectively. For example, a workflow might need to check several factors before deciding what to do next, and combining conditions makes that possible. Another important aspect is comparisons. You can check if a field is blank or if a number exceeds a certain threshold. These comparisons are fundamental because they help define clear criteria for when actions should be triggered, ensuring your workflows are making decisions based on solid data. Finally, conditions allow workflows to branch based on logic. This means different paths can be taken depending on variable values. For instance, if a request is marked urgent, it can be routed directly to a manager. Otherwise, it might go to the general team. This branching capability makes your automation smarter and more responsive to real-world needs. Let's explore how integration with Power Automate truly empowers business automation with Microsoft Copilot Studio. One of the key benefits here is that it eliminates the need to write complex code to automate your tasks. This means users can focus more on their productivity without worrying about technical barriers holding them back. By linking workflows directly to Power Automate, we add a lot of power and flexibility. This enables your copilots to handle a broader range of tasks more efficiently, making automation smoother and more effective. Another exciting aspect is that you can set up flows using natural language, just like you do in Copilot Studio. This makes creating and managing workflows intuitive and accessible for everyone, regardless of technical skills. And because Copilot Studio workflows can connect seamlessly with Power Automate, you can manage complex, multi-step tasks across various Microsoft apps. This means automating follow-ups, updating records, escalating tickets, and much more, all without writing a single line of code. In essence, this integration brings your automation capabilities to a new level, powerful, flexible, and user-friendly, supporting your overall goal of making business processes smarter and more efficient. Let's explore the troubleshooting and help features that support your business automation journey with Microsoft Copilot Studio. Additional support is readily available through the Windows Get Help app and Microsoft Forums. By engaging with these resources, you can ensure a smooth workflow creation process and quickly resolve any errors that might come up. Community and support resources are essential, and Copilot Academy provides step-by-step learning guides that help you master features and troubleshoot effectively. These resources are designed to make learning easier and more efficient, so you can get the most out of Copilot Studio. Another key feature is the prompt galleries and repeating prompts, which assist with task automation. They simplify repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on more complex or strategic challenges. Memory and personalization are also vital. They help your Copilot remember your work habits and preferences. This way, it adapts to your style, boosting productivity and making your workflows more personalized and efficient. Finally, offers relevant files, contacts, and actions tailored specifically to your current task. This ensures you have all the right resources at your fingertips, making problem-solving faster and more effective. Together, these support features are designed to empower you, making your experience with Copilot Studio seamless and productive. Let's take a closer look at analyzing workflow performance. One of the key measures we use is the deflection rate. This tells us how many requests are handled entirely by Copilot, which is a strong indicator of how effective our automated systems are. When the deflection rate is high, it means fewer requests are passing through to agents, reducing their workload and boosting overall efficiency. Understanding and monitoring this rate plays a vital role in optimizing our workflows. Regular analysis helps us keep everything running smoothly and ensures users remain satisfied. It also allows us to quickly identify any issues that might be impacting performance, so we can address them before they become bigger problems. To continually improve, we should focus on making our prompts clear, keeping our data clean, and simplifying workflow steps where possible. Reviewing agent activity and feedback regularly is essential. This ongoing review drives continuous improvement and keeps our systems aligned with user needs. Now, to keep track of all these metrics, we leverage dashboards available in Copilot Studio, the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, or Azure Application Insights. These tools give us real-time data visualization and analysis, so we can make informed decisions quickly. Finally, monitoring key metrics like agent response speed, error rates, throughput, concurrency, latency, load time, deflection rate, and user satisfaction helps us pinpoint where improvements are needed. By keeping a close eye on these numbers, we can ensure our workflows remain efficient, effective, and aligned with our overall automation goals. Now, let's look at some frequently asked questions and the next steps as we move forward with empowering your business automation using Microsoft Copilot Studio. First, you'll be pleased to know that workflows support integration with key Microsoft apps like Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, and more. This means your processes become more connected and streamlined across different platforms, making collaboration and information sharing much easier. Next, creating workflows is simple and flexible. You can build them using natural language commands or through a visual designer, which makes the platform accessible even if you don't have a technical background. This lowers the barrier to entry and encourages more users to get involved in automation. Another important point is how we handle mistakes. You can undo changes or revert to earlier versions saved as drafts. This feature ensures that if something isn't quite right, you can fix it without losing your progress, giving you peace of mind. And of course, workflows are not set in stone. You can update and republish them whenever needed, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation as your needs evolve. Finally, before you go live, use the testing feature to run workflows step by step. This helps you catch and fix any issues early, ensuring everything runs smoothly when it's time to deploy. Together, these features make Microsoft Copilot Studio a powerful, user-friendly tool to boost your automation efforts efficiently and confidently.